Whipping powder 1 sachet. Cold milk 115 milliliters. Whisk until stiff peaks form. Fresh cream 300 gram. Whisk until smooth. Caramel mix 1 sachet. Whisk together until well combined. Add a half cup grapes chopped, a half cup dates chopped, 1 apple peeled and diced, 1 mango peeled and diced, 1 banana peeled and chopped. Mix everything together and set aside. Add about 2 tablespoons of biscuits crumbs per serving dish. Evenly spoon the fruit cream mixture into the cups. Top with some jello chunks and refrigerate for 2 hours. Enjoy!